I've been seeing people selling infused sponges and thought that I wanted to give it a go. So when I had some leftover soap batter from a batch, I got these sponges from Poundland, 3 for £1, and decided to try and infuse them myself. I added some fragrance oil and then experimented for the best way to actually put the soap into the sponge. I thought that I maybe could just pour it on, but the batter was too thick and the soap just sat on top. So I started spreading it around with a spatula and pushing it into the sponge. This was a bit time consuming but seemed to work well, so I carried on. With the next sponge I tried it the other way up with the coarser side of the sponge. I thought this might have a better chance at absorbing the soap, but it still didn't, so I tried my next technique. I pushed the sponge down and hoped that as it expanded it would suck the soap in. This did work, but probably not as well as just pushing it in with the spatula. Now my third technique was to just put the sponge in the soap batter, squeeze it, and again when it expands hope that it absorbed all of the soap batter it could. This was just a bit more messy than the other techniques and didn't actually give a better result. I carried on adding the rest of my soap batter into the sponges and was actually quite surprised at how much soap a sponge can hold, so hopefully this should last a good few washes. I left it to cure for longer than normal because not all of the soap would get to the air, and well, I would say it's successful. It's really bubbly and it's lasted at least 10 washes. I would definitely use this technique again with any leftover batter I have.